Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So the time has finally come to replace those stock rubber grips on my Harley. And today I'm going to be installing new chrome accent Defiance collection grips. So without wasting too much time, let's take a look at the grips and get them installed on the bike. Alright guys, here we are. Defiance collection hand grips. Let's take these things out. Alright, so just an instruction in the box. Don't think we really need it. Alright, so what do we have here? There is a very distinctive difference between the two grips. Alright, so the one that has these notches here, that's the left hand side. And the one that's smooth with nothing on it, that's the throttle. And you can actually, if you look inside, I'm probably not going to be able to see it, but there are little notches for where it grips onto the throttle sensor. Alright, so let's get these things installed. Alright, so we have to remove the two screws, one on top, one on the bottom. Get this plate off. It'll give us access to the grips. Now that the plate is off, first thing that I'm going to try and do is to twist this rubber handle. It's basically glued on. If I can't get it off, then I'm going to cut it and peel it off that way. All right. So, lucky for me, I was able to twist this thing off. There's a little bit of a rough edges here from the glue and a little bit of rubber that's left. So I'm just going to get some sandpaper, get this thing smoothed out, and get a new grip on. Alright guys, so the grip is nice and smooth now. Let's get the hand grip on. So if you look closer again at the grip, you see that the half of the grip has this notch piece and the other one is just plain. So this groove right here will be sitting in a bottom switch housing. Alright. Alright, one important note here guys, there's a little rubber switch here specifically for your clutch engagement, right? So be careful with that when you put it on, alright? Again, this is what I was telling you about the groove going on the bottom piece. Get this thing aligned, put the top plate on, play around with it a little bit. You may have to twist it down or up a little bit until you get this properly aligned with the bottom and the top plate. And again, this is the little rubber switch that I was telling you about. So be careful with that not to break it. Now let's do the right side throttle. Same idea, two screws, top and bottom, and this thing should just come out. one quick note, I did have to loosen up these two bolts just a little bit to give me a little bit of wiggle room to get the grip off. Now, the new grip, same exact thing, just line it up, make sure the logo is facing you, proper side, not upside down logo obviously. Okay, and then get everything reassembled. Again, also take a quick note, there is a little brake switch here as well, so be very careful not to damage it when you reassemble. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of Defiance collection grips. So thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. Hopefully it was useful to some of you. As always, if you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.